Okay, let's start the revision. I'll ask you the questions. Close your books. All of you, please close your books. And those who are online, be ready to type your answers quickly. Okay. So first is, what is the meaning of depravity? Meaning of depravity. Today is your test day, na? Class test. And this is the chapter, depravity. Meaning of depravity. No one? Those who are online. Depravity means moral corruption. Learn it. Depravity, moral corruption. Okay. Depravity means moral corruption. Okay. Defy. I hope you know this. DEFY. This is your preparation. Correct, Avni. Disobey. The thing that you do, let's connect. Defy means the things you disobey. The thing that you, yes. Resist openly, break rules. Okay. Then levitation. Levitation. Finally, yes, Bani. Levitation. Flying, chalo. Any other thing? Floating in the air without any support. Okay, floating in the air without any support. Then the question is, who is McCavity? Who is McCavity? Shreya. Okay. Suppose this question is for 2 marks. Now you have to answer. Who is McCavity? Yes. Yes. See, okay, McCavity is a fictional character created by poet Akshima. This is also correct, but the question is for 2 marks. So start with this line that McCavity is a fictional character created by the poet to highlight the criminals or the way they disobey or the way they create problems for others, and then explain McCavity, appearance and everything. Got it? Can we leave without? Okay, Avni. So, what is the name of the poet? Name of the poet. Poet, not poem. Poem is McCavity the Ginger Cat, Mystery Cat. What? No, not that. Yes, Akshima, correct. T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot. Okay. Remember. Now, write characteristic of McCavity. Write down the character sketch of McCavity. Character sketch of McCavity. Avni, that is T.S. You forgot this one. That's all. Character sketch of McCavity for 3 marks. Wait. Okay. Anmol is going to give the answer.
McCavity is a ginger-colored cat. He is very tall and thin. His whiskers are uncombed with dusty coat, and he never leaves any clue after doing the crime. He always breaks the laws of gravity and human laws. He is always in his eyebrows are lined and look like that he is thinking for another crime, and he always he always do crimes in such a ways that no one is able to catch him. He is really a mysterious cat. Or and the uh, poet has described the criminal through the medium of the mystery cat.
Yes, criminal and its criminal's mind. Yes, Angel, we'll discuss voice, don't worry. McCavity is described as being a ginger cat who is very tall and thin with sunken eyes and sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. Rohit, the answer is correct, but you need to add more details, other details also, as the question is for 3 marks. Okay? Okay, then come to page number 51. Come to page number 51. First paragraph that is on page number 51. I'll read. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. Poetic device used in this stanza. Poetic device used in this stanza, I'll read again. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. Movement like a snake. Simile, correct. Movement like a snake, it is simile. Okay. What do you think? The poet is fond of cats? Yes or no? Poet is fond of cats or not? And if yes, then why? If no, then why? Those who are online, if you want to give answer, turn on your video. Yes. Movements like a snake. Chalo, Bani will give answer.
No, the poet does not like cats, as he has described the cat as the monster and as a criminal. But in its own way, he is describing a criminal by the use of the cat, with the use of the cat.
Okay, so it means you think that he likes, like or dislike. Okay. Yes, Anmol. What do you think?
Yes, the cats are quite like cats. He had just used the cat as a medium for describing a criminal. In his opinion, maybe the criminal, he is very great and sharp-minded, and just like cats are also very clever and sharp-minded, and they never stay at one place. They just move and disturb others. Maybe the criminal will is also like the cat only, because he maybe do the crimes and never leaves the clue behind him. And through this, the poet has just used to describe a criminal in the form of a cat.
Okay. Shreya, anything different? Yes, same answer. Do you think the poet likes the cat or not?
No, I don't really think the poet likes the cat, as he has shown the cat in a very bad way. He has shown that the cat is a very big criminal and has done many crimes, and even the cat has broken the law of gravity. Macavity has never followed any rules, which shows that the poet does not like cats.
Okay, okay. So whatever your answer is, if it is yes or if it is no, you need to support your answer, your statement with suitable evidences or reasons. So according to me, Anmol's answer, Bani's answer and Shreya's, their answers are correct. Okay. If you have given appropriate reasons to support your answer, is it okay? He likes the cat because he has chosen his favorite animal to represent a master criminal. That is also correct. Yes, the poet is fond of cats and admire Macavity. When he defies the law, he calls Macavity a find and monster to explain an evil side of cats. Correct. So whatever the answer is, whatever your opinion is, you need to support the opinions properly. Okay. Then is, let's discuss informal letter now. Informal letter. How should I start? Okay. First comes, divide house number, comma city. That is okay. House number, chalo, 11. Then comma, or I have to, next line. Here comes city, city, sure, area. Here comes area and then city. Okay. Yes, Rohit, correct. Next is leave one line. This is the common mistake. Okay. Leave one line. How to write the date? DATE, date. 14. When we write this way, na, August 14. Then we put comma. Yes, Akshima, your format is also correct. Then receiver's address. We are talking about informal letter. Let me inform you this. Okay, if receiver's address, then how? Salutation. Okay, suppose you are writing to your friend. Wait. Let me give you the proper question. You are writing to your friend and you are disappointed that school is not able to celebrate Independence Day the way they used to. Okay, you have to write this letter to show your disappointment. But let's see how you write. Dear friend, name, dear name, okay, ABC. Now you have to start, you have 1 minute, write down the first paragraph, and then those who are online, I'll unmute you, and those who are sitting here, I'll bring my, only first paragraph. I'm not going to tell you what to include, how to include. First paragraph, it should be impressive. Only 1 minute. Now it's 8:49, 8:50. I'll start asking. Avni, the question is that you are disappointed that you are not able to celebrate Independence Day in your school the way you used to celebrate. Okay, before this COVID, with proper function and all. So you are disappointed for this. Now you have to write a letter to your friend telling him about or sharing your disappointment, how you are feeling for that purpose. Okay. Done. Pani done. Done. Okay.
There was a long that I have not listened and tell you something from you.
Hello, how are you? Something like that. हाँ तो उसके लिए जगह पे कुछ और लिखो. There was long time. It's been long. ऐसे, ठीक है? It's been long that I haven't heard from you. Karan, you are disappointed that you are not able to celebrate Independence Day in your school the way you used to before COVID. Jevant, he is not here. I haven't got any request. Ask him to check ID. No, I hope you are in pink of health or whatever. Anyone, those who are online, have you written? I also think so. Now he is here. Now I have allowed Hartik to enter the class. Okay.
There it being long, I have not heard from you. I think this will.
It's been long.
It's been from you. I think this letter will give you pink. I think that you will be in pink. I think that you will be in pink in health. So today I will share my feelings with you of Independence Day.
Okay. Anmol, have you written?
I am fine here and hope you are in the same boat. Like, as we know that we haven't talked to we haven't talked to you talked to each other since many days. And also as we know that Independence Day is approaching near.
Okay. Shreya? I can't come there.
It's been a long time we talked, and I wanted to wish you a happy Independence Day. But times have changed now. Everything is not how it was before COVID.
Okay. Anyone? Avni, have you written? Akshima, Avni, Anve, Asta, Jevan. What? Okay, Avni, I'm going to unmute you. Yes, Avni.
Hope this letter finds you in sync of your health, and I hope you are doing awesome in studies. 74th Independence Day has come and we are still at home. I'm really missing this 72nd Independence Day that we celebrated in our school.
Okay. Okay. So the way you all have started, almost correct. First, you have to ask the well-being, or it's been long that we have talked to each other, or we have sent letters to each other, or whatever. And then you will start that hope you are fine. I am also fine, like this, whatever the way you choose, pink of your health, sailing in the same boat, any idiom that you want to choose. And then in this first paragraph, only introduce your topic. While introducing, avoid using today I'm going to tell you about this. Okay? Just imagine you are talking to your friend in person. सामने है वो और उससे उस तरह बात कर रहे हो. Tell that, okay, start like that. You are fine. Hope I'm also fine. I hope you are also fine. See, yes. You know this COVID has ruined our lives, and yes, and the enjoyment we used to have, it has made our life hell. Today I missed the celebration. Today I nahi, ye next mein likhte na that today I went to school. Yes, not able to celebrate this. Yes, Independence Day. We are not able to celebrate the Independence Day independently, right? We are here, okay? A kind of a jail, definitely not a jail, but yes, we are bound. We cannot step out freely, right? This Corona pandemic has just taken away our freedom from us and has forced us to. This is not to be written in the first paragraph. This can come in the second one, okay? First paragraph, just I'm very sad or I'm totally disappointed, disheartened that we are not able to celebrate any function, or we are not able to perform anything in our school because of this COVID. And then second paragraph. In second paragraph, write down whatever you want to write. Have you written? Anyone? Hardik, because I think that instead of writing anybody's name, I should write ABC. Should I write your name here? Second paragraph. In second paragraph, give at least 2 to 3 reasons. Okay. Try to give 3 reasons, because I think we have so many reasons related to COVID that we can explain. Okay. So write down the fun you used to have. Now the fun is not there. Social distancing. Students are not present. And then the function, that performances, brilliant performances that we used to witness. Kunal, write down the section, write down your section 8A and then join. Leave the class. And also your admission number. Done? Write your admission number. Rohit, stop it. Yes.
I am irritated with this COVID-19 as it make our life in hell, as we are not able to celebrate the 75th Independence Day and not able to perform the functions. As this COVID-19 this seems like that the COVID-19 has taken our all the freedom and we are like in jail.
Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else? Rohit, what have you written? Have you written anything? Yes, yes, Karan. Definitely you can use I, because this is informal letter. So you are free to use personal pronouns, idioms, okay? And yes, present tense also. Not in formal letter, but for informal. Anyone? Akshima, have you written? If yes, then tell me, I'll unmute you. No? Done? Okay, Anmol is going to share.
I am really disheartened that we are not able to enjoy our Independence Day independently today. That performances, dance, speeches, missing all that. This corona has locked our lives and we are not able to celebrate our 75th independence happily. It seems like that we are in jail and cannot do anything, no celebrations and enjoyment.
Okay. Now, we are locked up. It is also correct. Yes, Shreya.
I miss those days when we could celebrate the Independence Day independently. Today was a very different day from what it used to be. The school was not filled with students but fully empty. The COVID pandemic is not gone yet, and it feels like being a jail in which you can't even celebrate your festival.
Yes. Okay. After writing all these things, just show some positivity or show that how you can remove or tackle the problem of this COVID pandemic, because we cannot write everything in a negative way throughout. Okay. There is something positive in every situation. So you have to find out that point out that, okay, in despite of all these things, I think we should follow the safety norms, we should follow the guidelines, okay? Doesn't matter how disheartened we are and how sad we are, we should not go out and we should not create, you can say, rush and all, okay? So whenever you have to end your letter or anything on a positive note, okay? Sure, don't just crib all the time, okay, ye ho gaya, wo ho gaya, main to bahut dukhi hu, aise. You have to write, but change the paragraph. Now change paragraph. There can be 4 paragraphs also. Change the paragraph and write down. Yes, Hardik, but you can see the function on Facebook. It will be uploaded tomorrow. And in the last paragraph, that concluding paragraph, okay, in concluding paragraph, motivate your friend to follow the guidelines. And in that paragraph, wish your friend again, okay? Wish your friend Independence Day and show hope that soon you will be able to roam, able to move freely, independently in independent India, okay? Yes, Hardik, yes, you have to write this. Yes, you can see, you can include this also instead of watching the function or enjoying the function offline or on the stage in the school. This time we have to watch or yes, everything is online. So yes, everything is online. So as our studies are online, so the function is, okay?
After a dark night, a morning comes. So finger crossed that we will celebrate Independence Day in that way we celebrate in last 2-3 years. So happy Independence Day to you, and we will meet soon.
Okay, Bani, okay, you have concluded. Okay. Instead of concluding, you could have written one more paragraph of how to follow this, and then shift it to the last one. Okay? If you have content, then don't hesitate to write.
But it doesn't matter how our hearts are feeling, because if we listen to our hearts, we might lose our life. If we want to celebrate the further festivals freely, we must celebrate this time online.
Yes, this is also correct. And then conclude. Okay? Then conclude. Or you can say you can connect the way freedom fighters have had fought for our freedom. Now it is our time to fight for our freedom from this corona pandemic. And the way is very simple. We don't need to die for it. We don't need to do anything else. Just stay at home. Okay. Our process is simple, and we can stay at home to save our lives. Okay, instead of going out, include these ideas. This is correct. Every cloud has a silver lining. This also shows that something is good. In bad situation, something good is hidden. Every cloud has a silver lining. In every bad situation, something good is there. Kuch bhi ho, acha time aayega. Okay, so now the time is over. I don't know, bache, I don't know, Rohit. Chalo, okay, bye.